What's up, guys? It's your girl, Myss Hobbs, and I want to know what you chewing today. Today we are having some fried green beans, fried / stewed potatoes, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to start with the green beans first, okay? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. I have washed and cleaned these green beans. And this is just some water that I have here boiling. And I'm gonna put some salt in here. And I'm just gonna blanch these beans for about 2 to 3 minutes, because I'm gonna saute them later on. Hot stuff, y'all, hot. All right. Let that go for a couple minutes in the hot water. And over here in this pan, I have some potatoes, some onions, and some bell peppers. These are red potatoes, so I always leave the skins on my red potatoes. I just prefer it that way. It's easier that way to me. And all I'm gonna do here is put a little, just a touch of butter, y'all. Just a touch.
Just a touch.
Just a touch.
And butter. A little bit.
We going in with about half a stick, y'all. Bam. I know you say, oh my gosh. It's gonna be good, trust me.
Mm-hmm. I know y'all.
And we're gonna put a little bit of salt in here because potatoes love salt.
Yes, they do.
So we're gonna put some salt here and some pepper. And a little bit more pepper. And a little bit more pepper. Okay, I think we're good on the pepper for now. Got me some more garlic, y'all. Went to the store, got my garlic.
Got our garlic, Brandon. Brandon was concerned about that.
Yes, Brandon, I did remember to put that on my list. Thank you so very kindly, my friend. And that was for Brandon, the Garbage Disposal Clark.
Make sure y'all check out his channel. Links down below.
All right, we got that going, and I need some water. I forgot to get some water. Probably gonna put about a half a cup of water. My measurements there, y'all, half a cup. We're gonna put this down in here, and we're gonna put the top on and let it do its thing. All right, so I'm gonna let those potatoes go for a while. These green beans have just a couple more minutes here to go. What I'm going to do with those green beans when they get ready is I'm gonna dump them in. I know I'm going, sorry y'all, I'm going all over the place, Brandon. But I'm gonna get some ice. Sorry about that, y'all. I'm getting some ice for the green beans. And what I'm gonna do with that is I'm gonna stop them from cooking. Once they blanch real quick, I don't want them to cook any further, so I'm gonna put them on ice with some water, and that'll also help to set the color in the green beans. So we're almost ready at that point, guys. So tell me what y'all chewing today. What's good? Comment down below. Let me know what you had to eat today. B33 got a whole lot of sleep today.
Got me some naps.
Caden said he was hibernating today, y'all. Aaron and I were talking about you sleep while you were sleeping. What's up, Aaron? My boy.
Yeah, I gotta get my sleep, y'all.
He got his naps in today, y'all. That's all right. B33 works hard, y'all. He works hard. You got anything you want to ask the people today, Brandon?
I really haven't thought about it yet. Might come closer to the end of the video. We'll figure out something.
Figure out something toward the end. All right.
Got to come up with something. Good trivia question.
good question, y'all.
Make sure y'all tell us what y'all eating today, though, because I do want to know. Give me some new ideas, or her some new ideas. I don't do too much cooking. I cook every now and again. It's gonna be a special edition video.
A special edition. We all saw he bought Spam in the vlog. So we gonna see. I'm gonna catch him on camera when he's doing it too. He forgot about one thing that he needs though. He sure did.
Soy sauce, probably.
Did we not get soy sauce?
I don't know.
I thought you bought soy sauce the last time you made it.
I probably did.
No, the rice vinegar.
I thought I had some on that.
You bought some more rice vinegar?
I thought I did.
You did? You may have. I see
I made
my
mine.
empty bottle back there.
When I made my last batch, I thought I had
It might be back there. I'm too short, y'all. All right, y'all. It's been a little bit more than 3 minutes because the water was not boiling when I put them in there. And so we are just about there now, y'all. This is getting nice and hot.
That's what she said.
A mess. I would say Brandon Clark has ruined my husband, but he was already ruined before.
Oh yeah, I was
long before he
What?
met Brandon Clark.
And you married him.
You know, we all make mistakes.
That's a long 11-year mistake, almost.
You know, every now and again we slip up. It's okay. It's okay.
Almost 12. Good gosh. I've been with this woman for a long time, y'all.
You getting older.
We've been married a little bit over a year, but we've been together since eternity.
It took him a long time to get smart. That's what it is.
It did.
Y'all.
It did, y'all. I was young and dumb sometimes. Sometimes. Not all the time.
Poor thing. Let me see what's going on under this top right
What's
here.
going on with them taters? Butter starting to melt down a little bit. See all
Ooh,
that,
I smell
that
it
butter,
already.
y'all? It really isn't much when you look at the amount
All
of
the
potatoes in there.
potatoes are in here.
And once it melts down, you're like, where did it go? Right, exactly. Let's put a big pump in there.
You smell it?
Oh gosh, ooh, it hit me a little bit late, y'all. it went over by the refrigerator and wrapped back around and hit me
Really?
across my nose.
Really? It did all that?
God, see, that's why I got to go out the door.
You gotta
y'all.
go outside
That's
now?
why I got to go outside. When we finish recording, I'm going out the door. I can't do this. I can't do this.
Outside.
I gotta go outside.
Poor thing.
I have to. Oh, okay.
Uh-oh.
Who had the hit song Go Outside?
Mm.
If you just heard what I was just singing, I wanna go outside.
Can I sing some of it too?
In the rain. Yeah, you can go ahead and sing.
No, that's all right.
See, this for my grown folk. Hey, said I wanna go outside. If you know who sings that song, comment down below. That's our trivia question. Who sang that song? My old school people. We had one for my horror movie trivia people. Now we got a music.
Y'all, I was watching Kwang Tran while I was picking these peas.
Shout out to Kwang. Nice.
And I was watching him and not the peas. So, you know, I had to go back through it when I finished. And I thought I did a pretty good job. But I left one in there. Wayne Alhino said he wants me and Quan to go head to head, cook him some food. I want to cook with Quan too. Come on, Quan. Y'all know Quan. Tell him to holler at your girl. We need to cook for Wayne.
Notification. Okay.
Yep. Oh, I'm a part of the notification gang. All right, guys. I just put this in here, and the water's actually cold. It was hot. initially when I put the beans in there. Got the ice on the bottom and the water's coming through the strainer. And now that's done, that's ready to go. I'll get back to that a little bit later. I'm gonna let these potatoes go a little bit. And as you can see, I have some mushrooms back there that I have cut up, and we'll get to those later after the ribs. So I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes, give this a few minutes, and we'll get started back on the ribs and the mushrooms. I'll see y'all shortly. All right, guys, we are back, and I have the ribs in here. If you remember from the vlog, I bought a rack of ribs, St. Louis style ribs. All I did was cut them down into individual bones, and then I have them here. They've been cleaned and seasoned. I put salt, pepper, seasoning, salt, and garlic powder on them. I have them here in my seasoned flour, and I'm about to fry them. I have some oil that I've been heating in my pot. And these won't take long at all to cook. So I already have my rack ready.
Got my rack ready too. Shoot.
Your gut is ready.
Yes, it is.
I got flour a little bit everywhere, y'all. But you know me. All right, let me get some more in the flour while I got some dirty hands. Now I've had my potatoes, I've switched eyes on them, but they're still going. I did add a little bit more water to it. As it cooks, the water will evaporate and the potatoes will actually soak up some of that water. So just make sure that you keep an eye on that, because you don't want the pan to be completely dry. You want to make sure that the potatoes have time to steam and cook in there. And if you learn how to cut better than I do, have some good knife skills, you can make all your potatoes the same size and they'll all cook at the same time. But you know, some of mine are done and others not quite so much yet. So I just add a little bit more water to it and let it do what it do. Just rinsing out the sink real quick here. Wash my hands. Yeah, y'all, I was sitting in there watching Quan Tran, man. That man could cook some stuff. I don't know how it tastes, but everything he cooked looked good to me.
The way you eat it make it look good.
Right. I watch his videos all the time. Who do y'all watch on YouTube? Give me, drop some good names. Let me know, you know, what you're into, what you like, so I can check out some people too.
Definitely.
Check them out. All right. This is gonna be good enough for right now, y'all, because I gotta get back to my ribs over there. And I don't want to go play with the grease with some wet hands, so I got to dry my hands off, y'all. I already almost lost 2 digits for y'all the other day when I was frying that spicy fried chicken. 2 fingers, y'all. And then I wash dishes with a fresh burn and hot water. Not a smart idea. Not a smart idea. Alright, these are coming together, guys. See? There we go. I got it. A little fried love on the ribs. my butter up, y'all. This is not the health food channel at all. No. I like butter. I like the fried stuff. I love garlic. So, you know, everything gets a little butter love, a little garlic love around here. Okay, we gonna put this in. Okay, I was about to say we just gonna sit it down and leave it. Turn that on. I'm gonna saute my green beans in there. And you know what, y'all? I forgot to get my paprika out. I like to, when I saute my green beans like this, I like to use smoked paprika, which is in here somewhere, I promise y'all. So, I tell you what, let me find my smoked paprika. I will continue to fry up the ribs for you. I'm going to check on the potatoes, and we will come back in just a few minutes, y'all. All right, see you. All right, guys, we're back, and I did get my smoked paprika. I used smoked paprika, and all I did was add the green beans to the pan with smoked paprika. I put some minced garlic in there as well as some salt and pepper, and I'm letting those go. Those are just about done. I have also gotten about a cup of flour, some parsley, I have some cayenne pepper, some salt, some regular black pepper, and garlic powder in here because we're going to make a batter for some fried mushrooms. And, oh, sorry y'all. Crack an egg in here. And come in with some cold water. Exactly how much cold water, I'm honestly not sure. I look for a consistency. So once I get it to the right point, the right consistency, I just stop. And I'll show y'all what I mean in just a second. Right now it's looking like dough, and we don't want dough. We don't want dough. No, no, no. And I'm kind of whisking as well with the fork. Try and get the lumps out at the same time as I look for the right consistency. And the mushrooms, I have already coated them with my seasoned flour. So they have a coating of flour on them already. All right. I think we are there, y'all. I don't know if you can see in here well, but it's kind of a thin batter, which is what I'm looking for. I'm going to shut that off. I'm going to get my ribs, which I know are already ready already. Did I tell y'all I cut the potatoes off? I cut the potatoes off, y'all. I don't remember if I told y'all or not. My bad. Alright, those are fried ribs. And most of the moisture in the beans is just about gone. With this, you're just trying to heat them back through, and you want to cook the garlic. You don't want to bite down on all this raw garlic that I got in there. So you want to give the garlic a chance to cook out. And now for the mushrooms, y'all. See, I told y'all I got flour everywhere. Everywhere. Let's move that some more. Alright, here we go. We get close to my pot here. And you can use a fork if you want to. Somebody heard somebody uses a toothpick to stick them in the grease individually. I just use my hand, y'all. And that's, I hope that I don't get my hand in there too deep. I want fried fingers, I want fried mushrooms.
I'll take a fried finger.
Nope. You have to fry your own fingers. I already put my foot in the pot. Oh, mushrooms down, mushrooms down. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put a couple more mushrooms in here, y'all. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Just trying to get a nice coating on the mushrooms. I don't know what happened to the one that hit the floor. But that's the mixture, and the mushrooms, like I said, I've coated them in seasoned flour already. And these are pretty well coated, so I'm going to go ahead and start dropping these in the grease. Grease, y'all. Uh-oh. My mushroom stem broke off, y'all. I took him over there. The closer you are to the grease when you drop it, the less splatter you'll get. So try to get as close as you can. This one don't want to come out, y'all, so I'm going to eat this one first. I'm going to remember you, buddy. Smell the love. B33, can I get you to turn those beans off?
Sure.
Before they start to burn over there.
Sushi.
All the
just turn the ovens on and off, y'all.
Yeah.
Gangster.
Turn them off.
Gangster cooking.
All the moisture, if you look in the pot, the pan, you can see that the moisture is cooked out of there. So they're ready to go.
Nice.
They are ready to go. I'm going to dump some more mushrooms in here while those fry up. Woo! I'm about like you, B33. I'm ready to go outside now. It's all up in the nose.
Yeah, I'll snatch one of these green beans.
Cut! He's stealing, y'all.
Nice.
You know y'all supposed to get that first plate.
I had to get one.
Y'all get him down in the comments. Tell him how rude he is for eating before y'all.
Amen. Called Cameraman Feast.
That's the cameraman piece.
Yes.
Let me rinse some of this book off my fingers. All my fingers here. Man, I wish we had smell-o-vision. One of my subscribers said he hopes that none of my neighbors subscribe to my channel because we have a line out the door. Oh yeah, that was just right. Good point. Good job, B33. Look at you.
You know, I know how to shut the oven on and off every now and again. You know,
Every now and
skills.
again. I'm dropping the macaroni. I'm supposed to be getting the spoon, y'all. I forgot all about the spoon.
You can get a lot of stuff.
Hey.
I'll excuse her for her forgetfulness.
He ain't hating, y'all.
Well, I ain't gonna hate now.
You
I
can't
love.
hate.
I don't hate.
You can't hate.
The rib, brownie rib. Ready to go.
Come on over. So I have some room for my mushrooms. Let me sit that right there for just a minute, y'all. My mom sent me a picture of 2 aprons that she's made, for one for me and one for Caila, for this channel. And she was reminding me about when I was a little girl, because my family owned 2 soul food restaurants back at home, and I would go down with my grandma. My grandma worked at one with her aunt, and with her sister, my aunt. And they would put little aprons on me, but the aprons were so big that they would fold them in half and tie them around me. So she was giving me instructions on how to put the apron on Caila the way that they used to do it on me when I was a little girl, if the one she made is too big for her. So I thought that was super funny, though. I was like, I can do an apron. I got you. I got you. You didn't know you had a brand new apron coming, did you? What you wear in front of you while you're cooking to keep your clothes clean. I have to show it to you. Y'all can go on my Facebook page, Myss Hobbs, and check it out. I posted it today. So hopefully I'll have it sometime by the end of the week. Woo! I'm excited. And as you can hear, it has slowed down. Not a lot of noise coming. So that means they're just about done. I'm going to give them a few more minutes to get a little bit more color. And then I'm going to fix y'all a plate. So y'all stay tuned. And I will be right back in a minute. Alright guys, here you go. Here's dinner. We have some fried St. Louis style ribs, fried mushrooms, some stewed potatoes, and some green beans, y'all. Enjoy. Smooches. Until next time.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the notification bell so whenever we release a new video, you know first. Thank you guys.